Programat Furnaces. Part 5. Introduction to the Programat Infrared Technology. With the Programat Infrared Technology feature, you will save up to 25% of the firing time compared to conventional furnaces. The high quality of the firing results is impressive. The integrated thermal camera detects infrared radiation and measures the temperature directly on the surface of the object in the furnace. By means of the transferred data, the software calculates the optimal pre-drying and closing parameters for each firing cycle, irrespective of the size or the number of the restorations placed in the firing chamber. Furthermore, with the help of the temperature information of the object in the furnace, the sensor also recognizes when a drying process is completed and when a firing process can be started. If the infrared camera is activated, the software transfers the thermal image of the object in the furnace to the display during the drying and closing process. You can turn the thermal image display on or off with the IRT key. If you work with the Programat Thermal Imaging feature, please observe the following points in order to make sure that the infrared camera will produce reliable and correct measuring results. Only use the Programat firing trays recommended by Ivoclar Vivadent. Position the objects in such a way that the infrared camera has a wide view of the object. Use the markings in the frame plate for orientation purposes. Do not load the firing chamber with hot objects. The objects that need to be dried should be at approximately room temperature. The firing tray and the objects must not be moved after the start of a program. Movements will cause incorrect measurements. The infrared technology is not suitable for measuring the temperature on metal structures. Metal frameworks veneered with opaque or ceramic must be placed in such a way that the retentions or holding rings are not caught by the camera. Remove unused firing pins or fan pins from the firing tray. If you want to fire several objects together, position the firing tray in such a way that the camera preferentially measures the temperature of the large and solid objects. Similarly, position relatively wet restorations in such a way that the camera has a good view of these objects. Please refer to the operating instructions for more detailed information.